Good morning, and we're live.
Good morning. Happy Martin Luther Monday.
Martin Luther Monday, yep. Bank situation, banks are closed, I think, today, right?
Yes, it is a
So
bank
it's
holiday.
going to be a potentially a bit lower volume, a little slower day, but that's all good.
I'm actually not too mad about that today.
Yeah. Did you get into any trades this morning?
I was in a YM short a little while ago. Got out of it, made $80.
Nice.
No, I'm sorry, I made $65.
Nice.
And that was it. That's the only thing I've done.
So I don't know if NQ is going to be the one to trade today, but I do have some targets down below. I have these 4-hour fair value gaps from, I don't know, quite a while before. What day was this? Like December 18th. Down at the top of it is at 25,170. So there's a chance we could head lower.
On the book map. Yeah, NQ just looks like it's sinking. Yes, doesn't look all that healthy either.
Yeah, we have a naked point of control below us on ES down at 68.61. Could be another potential target to the downside. So let's see what happens here. If we get a little pop and maybe we get a rejection off the start of day VWAP on these indices, that might be a time for an entry. So we got about 4 minutes to the bell here. And just taking a quick look at Financial Juice, the 19th, right? Yeah. Canadian CPI year over year. CPI for Canada, which not going to do anything to us. PBOC interest rate, but that's not until 1700, so that's like 8 p.m. East Coast time.
1700.
Yeah,
That's 5 o'clock Eastern time.
But then you got to add 3 hours because that's my time for the 17th.
Oh, all right. I'm sorry. Yeah. I get confused when you're in.
I'm always trying to do the math quickly there when I'm telling people the time. Like 1700 is 5 plus 3 is 8.
Always have all my clocks set to New York time.
Oh, nice. Yeah. Looks like we got a bunch of orders below on NQ right now. 280, 270, 260, 250. Hey, Spence. Good morning. And Darren, good morning. You made money shorting BTC over the weekend. Oh, nice job, Darren. What is Bitcoin doing right now? BTC 92,800. Okay.
Bitcoin's just being Bitcoin right now. Doing Bitcoin things.
Yep. Ooh.
You take any trades this morning?
No, nada. I took 2 trades only yesterday on Sunday. I made $350 in my 5 take profit trader accounts. So
Bell has wrong.
is that open? Yeah, the bell. We're open. The bell is open. Oh yeah, so we're not printing actual New York time because it's technically it's not a real New York trading session. I'm gonna anchor a VWAP anyways here. We'll mark it up anyways. Looking like gold's popping up nicely. What about YM?
YM's pretty flat.
YM's flat. YM's been looking like almost a little more volatile than the other 2 guys were in that London session.
Dropping a little bit on YM, but not by much. It's a really small opening range. Today just may be another short day.
Might be. This NQ's going lower out of the gate here. If we can call it a gate today. It's more like a dust bunny getting blown across the road by a gentle wind.
Yeah, that's about it. It's not a gate. It's more like an entryway. The white picket fence.
Yeah. Yeah.
The
Very
horse is
calm and
coming out of
relaxed.
it.
Shane A. Hello, gents.
Howdy.
Oh, are you were you in the stream last night? Is it not Shay, right? Or is it somebody else?
I don't know, man. I wasn't streaming last night.
Yeah,
Get it together, would you?
I'm asking them.
No, I'm kidding.
I know. What the heck? There's Johan. Good morning.
Good morning, Johan.
Wow, could have been short here on this NQ at the opening here. Getting down to London lows here. Johan said, "Did you have a nice weekend, Nick?"
It was all right. Nobody died. That was a good thing. It's snowing.
Zarg. Oh, is it? It's snowing there?
Oh,
Morning, Zar. Happy Monday. 10 seconds left on this candle here. I think I might, normally we wait first 15 minutes. I don't know if we need to wait that much today because I don't think the volatility's really here like normally.
There's not a whole hell of a lot happening right now.
Yeah.
Well, NQ is pushing down a little bit.
Yeah.
That's something.
I'm actually going to take a short here in the 5-minute opening range break here. See if we can't get a little continuation. Put my stop sort of 50% of the first candle. Only 2 micros, going to keep it small. And if we start getting back into the 5-minute opening range, like we're going to reverse, then I'll definitely change my bias here. 20 points risk right now, so $40 times 2, $80 risk total on this account here. Hey, there's Mookie. Good morning, Mookie. Mookie was in the stream last night also.
Everybody's loving on you this week, huh?
Yeah, we had a really good stream yesterday. It was a lot of fun. Lots of fun.
Well, this NQ
25,
short's
170.
working out nicely.
Yeah, not bad. Hey, there's Kahuna. Kahuna's also from yesterday. He's lives in Hawaii, if you can tell by the name.
I kind of gathered that, but I don't want to make assumptions. All right, NQ is
Bouncing a bit.
a little bit.
They took off some of those orders down at 47. Oh, we got right back inside this opening range low of the 5-minute candle. We can't hurry up and get our way back outside of there. I might just end up cutting this one early. There we go, back outside.
Printing a bearish fair value gap. The bottom of it's at 267 on NQ.
Yes. Yeah, Johan keeps killing it on silver. She said, I loved silver yesterday, Nick. Because she knows you're the silver guy.
Not touch silver yesterday. I didn't touch a damn thing yesterday. Knowing that today was a bank holiday, I didn't really want to fool around with anything.
Yeah. We do have orders down at 240, 235, 231, looks like.
Still looking at NQ.
Yeah. One minute left on this candle here. Having trouble getting past my entry price. My entry's 255, 25, 255. I got 2 micros, that's it. So not risking a ton.
Bunch of orders up at 120. Oh, that's on YM. Sorry.
YM.
Heat maps turning red underneath us on NQ.
Probably going to sweep a bit. Could potentially sweep the lows also on YM here. London lows are kind of 49,056. Still just playing with my entry price here on this 5-minute candle. What do we close in here in 2 seconds? There we go.
I'm not too sure I should be fooling around with YM today either.
$240. I'm gonna take one off at the just front run the orders at 240 if we get down there, and then I'll just go break even on my remaining contract if we get there. We bounced at 44.
So are you taking profit or mitigating loss?
I'll take profit, yeah. Some orders did pop up on at like 274, 25, 274, which is right where my stop is. Don't want it to get there though.
Well, here's hoping.
Yeah. Tomorrow's cash session could get interesting depending on Europe's tariffs and potential SCOTUS decision. Oh yeah. Kahuna said that. Definitely a slow mover right now.
What? I'm sorry, I fell asleep for a minute there. What happened?
Right.
Where am I?
So I'm a little over halfway to the 500 mark on subscribers where I can start doing swag. So we're going to have to put together a t-shirt company.
You want me to get on that?
Right? Nick's got a lot of good sayings.
Obnoxious. So I put in a YM micro short, and I'm down $6 on it right now.
Okay.
Slow moving day.
Just not the candle t-shirt. the B candle t-shirt.
No. That one's all Randy.
Here we go. Starting to get that push lower. See if we can't get to those 40s. And then I'll be going break even on my remaining contract here. And we're bouncing. Range is really small today, not gas. Natural gas is spicy today, but the books look really thin. Okay, Czar. Nice. Thought you were gonna say nat gas looks explosive today.
Yeah. I'll fuck with nat gas. Nat gas is explosive.
Come on, we got my order got edged there, guys. Like the low of that candle was 59, 240, 40. How did I not get my order taken out? It says the low of the order was 240, but I have one contract at 39.75. That's so weird.
I have no idea.
It's coming right now. Or
Hey,
not.
I'm $10.50 up on my micro YM trade. Yay. Oh, boo. Now it's down to $4.50. Oh, $3. I just can't catch a break today.
Come on, guys. Let's take this 240 out. We're playing around here.
NQ is still pushing lower.
Kind of, sort of. It just keeps edging my order here at 240. Oh, I had 39.75. Oh, that's why. I thought I had it at 40.25. That's why I didn't get it taken out, because it was one tick too low. Here we go. I'm gonna give it a little more space here with that candle. Watch, it's not gonna hit my order now. Come on, boys. Let's go, Bears.
Most of the orders on the book map are below current price, so that's good for you.
Yeah.
Even with this little bounce here.
Yeah, especially it's like the ones that are closest to the price anyways, right? I definitely want to go heat seek those guys. So I moved my TP down to 35.75. Might get, oh, geez, edged again there. What the heck, man? What was the low of that candle? 36.25. And I'm at 36. Jeez. I'm going to move it to 36.75 here. They're playing edge the order day and don't bounce now.
You got this, Dave. It'll come back down. I hope.
Hope so.
Yo, I'm down $14 here.
You say you're in two micros?
Yeah.
So 14 points. That's like that's like a blink of the eye for YM. Maybe today it might be a little bit more.
Yeah, today it's looking like it's going to take a while.
Yeah. We did have some orders pop on up at 250 now, above. Don't turn into a losing trade, you bugger. Sheesh.
Ooh, NQ is not being your friend today.
Yeah, I'm still in profit by 20 bucks, but it literally edged me, and then I moved my TP down a little bit, and then it edged me again. So maybe I need to cut this here. It's back to break even right now. Whew. Look at that bounce. Give it a sec here. Finger on the close trade button here. Yeah, not loving it right now. Seems like the buyers are fighting here.
Yep.
Bit of a battle here at the 60s.
Well, I lost my whole.
Pretty high. What's that?
I lost $34 on that trade. One loser of the day. I got one more loser. I'm done for the day.
I'm gonna wait for this 5-minute candle close here. If we close inside the opening range, I'm gonna just cut it here. Come on, push it down. You got 15 seconds to keep it below that. Oh, I'm closing it there. I got out. Down 39 on that trade, unfortunately. I was up 39. That's too bad. Should have been a little more aggressive on my stop there. Was just trying to get that one contract out and then bring stop to break even, but that didn't happen. So, and yeah, good thing I got out because we're heading up a bit more here.
Looks like NQ is starting to climb a bit.
Yeah, following the YM now. The YM wasn't cooperating. YM's being the leader. Bounce it up a little bit here. Yeah, my full stop probably would have been hit there on that little pop. So save myself a little bit in that by closing that early. No big deal. $39.
The YM can get up through this bearish fair value gap.
Yeah, and then overnight VWAP started day VWAPs up there. Gold pulled back pretty hard at the open.
Not looking great over here for NQ.
We sort of rejected on this bearish fair value gap the first 5-minute opening, but like I said, I don't really want to.
Again.
Yeah.
NQ and YM are playing follow the leader, and they can't figure out which one the leader is.
Yeah, now NQ's popping up and YM's pulling back. Like, what the heck? They're rotating.
They're just gonna play around like this all day, aren't they?
Yeah. Exactly why we're keeping size small.
Oh shit! So I shouldn't have thrown on these 6 minis.
in your copy trading 60 accounts? Yeah, probably.
Absolutely not. Things to not do today.
I think that I got my traders post hooked up. I think.
All right.
But where did it go? Trying to find it now. So many tabs. Where did that go? Oh, it's over here. Yeah.
Should see if you can get on a call with Mike or Tom.
Yeah.
I like those guys. They're good eggs. They're too damn smart for me though. They tech guys, I don't understand 3/4 of what they talk about.
I'm gonna try to queue up a long here and see if it shows up.
Funny, I just took an NQ long.
If you get activated?
I'm sorry, what's that?
Does it show up like when you activate the alert, or does it have to be?
It'll show up as a line unless you have your setup to enter an order at greater than 0. Just how I've been doing it. There's a bounce on NQ. That's what I was wanting.
Yeah, good thing I got out of this, out of that short. Okay, slow trades. Huh. It says no trades. Connected broker, Lucid. No trades found.
Did you
I got it.
set up? Did you set up a strategy?
Yeah.
Is it activated and you have auto submit turned on?
I'm pretty sure yes. I'm just gonna double check my Lucid here. Yeah, I don't have any, or sorry, Trade Evade. I don't have any orders on the Trade Evade, so it didn't work. Whatever I did wrong there. That was NQ, right? Yes. Just double check all these accounts here, make sure.
Let me put in a stop loss here real quick. Locking in $200, and let me pull up the video here. Oh, you're just doing your alerts and stuff right now?
Yeah, I had the alert there, and then it activated, like it went off, and I got a signal that went through, but it didn't activate any trade.
You want to share your traders post with me, and I'll see if I can help you with it.
Oh, you mean like
go to share screen? Yeah.
Share screen. How do we do that? Should I just put it on, like on the stream, like this?
Yeah, go for it. None of your, so all of those failed. Go to dashboard. So all you have on there is Lucid. Now go to subscriptions.
So there's one.
Oh, they're all
2,
disabled.
3, 4. Oh, okay, that's why.
Problem. So yeah, you have to enable your subscriptions. So go now, right back up there. Go to your Lucid Trading, the top one. Nope, back where you were.
Brokers, Lucid.
Now, go to the end of your first checked Lucid account.
Oh, this one right here.
And hit edit. Go to the top. Hit edit again. I'm sorry, hit the 3 dots.
Connection?
No.
Oh, the 3 dots.
Now go to subscriptions. Click on the subscription.
And then hit enable.
So you have, new.
No.
Go to auto submit. It is under the name, go up. Under your name, auto submit. Now scroll down. And do not allow side swapping.
Sides? Okay, that's off.
Yep, turn that off. Now go all the way to the bottom.
Yeah.
Hit enable and save. And that account is good to go. Just double check it, make sure that you have auto submit on, and then when you place an order, it should go through.
Okay. It still says disabled at the top for some reason. Is this something else? This disabled?
Click on that. There you go.
Okay. Perfect. Okay, well, maybe I should try one just with just one account connected to see if I can.
Not a bad idea.
Oops. So that one is which account? Okay, that's a direct account. Perfect.
Now, you did have it set up to take any ticker, right?
Yes. Oh, I set it up so only selected tickers, but MES, MGC, NQ, MYM. Or do I need to have the actual contract, full contract name?
Yeah. You can have MNQ, MES, all of those set up just the way you got them.
Gotcha. All right, so I got my little. Oh, I got to.
Now, if you want to take a market order,
Yeah.
what you can do is go to your where it says crossing on that screen.
Yeah.
Now crossing, click on that, go to greater than.
Value, greater than.
Nope.
Or no. Sorry.
Go
cross.
to where it says crossing, slide it down to greater than.
Okay.
Should be 3 under there. And then change the price to 0.
Like this price to 0.
Yep. Now that when you press play on your alert, that'll automatically throw in a market order. So I have them set up to do market orders for buys and sells, and then I have a stop limit order that I use a crossing on, and then I have one that I just labeled as exit now. That's if price is greater than 0, because the price is always going to be greater than 0, so it automatically goes.
Gotcha. Oh, but I need to hook this up to this, and then settings.
Oh, hold on. Before you do that, just go up to the symbols. Yeah. If you click on the symbols, it'll show the last one that you did, and then the one that you're on right now will be underneath it, unless it's the same thing.
Same thing, yeah. Oh, my order. That was, yeah. So it goes straight in, like right away.
Yes.
Market it in long. Okay, let me. I better try to put this off in here real quick too. Add alert. Flat. And then flat is crossing value. And you
crossing value, or you can do an exit now, just greater than 0. Or you can set a stop price.
Okay.
The stop price will be crossing, and then the exit now should be greater than 0.
Well, I don't think that worked because for some reason it keeps putting it at my price.
You need to change the price then.
Okay. I'm actually gonna close this trade, I think. Just cause. This is
so go to your. How many accounts do you have attached to that right now?
Just the one.
Okay. So it should
up $10.
Check your dashboard on Traders Post and make sure when you click that close now button that it closes on your Traders Post as well.
That would be under trades.
Yes.
It says completed.
Does it say exit completed or buy completed?
Buy completed, yeah.
Okay, so it didn't. Your exit did not go through. You were still in that trade.
Well, I got
Kahuna was short 1 ES with a tight stop.
I'm gonna close this here before I get stuck in this trade, or maybe I should just leave it because it's going up nicely, up 23.25 now.
I'm in a 2 mini NQ long right now, so I got in at 269. We just went above the VWAP.
I just closed
yesterday's
it.
overnight VWAP. So
Oh, it made $20 in that. So at least I know that the buy worked.
hey,
For whatever reason, the stop flattened didn't work.
you can also keep your trade evade opened as well.
Yeah.
And just in case, you can close them out in your Lucid. You've got on a trade evade account, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So yeah, you can close them out directly in your trade evade account and just bypass the trader's post.
Nice. Yes. Okay. Interesting. First attempt.
Hey, no, that's
Yeah.
it's going to be nerve-wracking for a little while. When I first started using it, my asshole was puckered up so tight if I'd have farted, it'd come out a whistle. Yeah, I said that. I'm sorry. But I am up $3,000 in this order, in this position now. So
You really were up in 6 micro minis?
no, 2. I was kidding about the 6. It's a cash account. I had I keep moving my stop loss up, so my stop loss is in profit and has been since
What a clean bounce, though, eh?
304, I think.
Yeah, I just wanted to get out of that where we were, just because we're kind of at sort of pre-market highs not long before that. So I was like, I'll take this little W's because I'm feeling a little flustered trying the new trading platform.
Oh no, I understand that. I've been in that boat.
Like, what's going on here?
Yeah, it is nerve-wracking at first, but once you get used to it, it's awesome. You just have to take the time. Sorry, go ahead.
My stop said invalid signal.
So check your JSON message.
So that would be under strategies. Strategies? No.
No, go back to
That
your
would be my
trading view.
trading view. Yeah.
Go to your trading view, look at your JSON message, which will be under
messages. So I got bracket ticker is ticker action close price close.
you should have a time on there as well. So go back to the trade. It should be time semicolon curly bracket time now curly bracket, I believe. Go to just to be safe, go to Trader's Post, copy the JSON message, and then change the action to exit. Oh yeah, it needs to be exit, not close.
Okay.
Did you write that yourself?
I got it from AI. Yeah, I didn't know that they had a bunch of stuff on.
Dude, AI is great, but if you don't know how to write the JSON message, go directly to the source for it. The AI is it's not gonna do you right.
What's the best place to find those JSON messages?
Go to your Trader's Post, to your strategy, and it'll give you a webhook and a JSON message. You already have the webhook, obviously, because it put through one trade. Today's stream is sponsored by Trader's Post.
Code Mustang. Okay. Huh.
You getting it?
No.
let me move my stop loss up here and I'll look for it for you. Traders Post.
I'm just enabling these guys also. Features, auto submit, not manual. Don't allow swapping. Save. Okay, you got all four enabled. Dashboard. Strategies. Oh, here's webhook.
So if you go to the webhook, that is okay. So underneath, click on the webhook, and underneath it will have two rows. One says Trading View Indicator, and one says Trading View Strategy.
Yeah.
Go to the top indicator and hit copy. It should say on there ticker, brackets, ticker, action buy, price close, time is time now, and interval is interval.
Yeah.
So copy that one.
Yeah, I did.
All right, bring that back over to your trading view.
Okay.
Put that in your exit order and change buy to exit. Okay, and then adjust it however you want, whether it's a greater than zero or a specific price that you want.
Yeah, I'd probably use it more like drag it to put it in as a stop.
I have two of them. I have one that I labeled as exit now, and I have another one that I have as limit stop. Actually, I have three of them because I have a stop loss, a limit stop, and an exit now.
Gotcha. So this one's my flat one. So if I want it to be a market, then what do I change? Buy to...
You change... No. Is that for an exit?
Yeah, this is for an exit.
So you would change buy to exit.
EXIT. Yeah, price, close, then, time now, interval.
So now go to your settings.
Yeah.
And if it's if you want to exit now, label it as exit now and then do greater than zero.
Greater than zero.
And if you're in a trade and you hit create, it's going to immediately do it for you.
Okay. I'm not in a trade, so flat now. So if I it'll just send it off, but should get a signal at
It
least.
doesn't. Yeah, it doesn't matter. You'll be able to check and make sure the signal went through at least.
Oh, that's so loud. See signals. Yeah, I got to exit 0 of 4 with the exclamation point because I don't have any trades in there, right? So, okay, nice. So then add order. So if I go make this guy message, put this one stop loss, paste this. Oops, shoot.
Still holding this NQ order.
Nice.
It got down into the middle of that last bullish fair value gap that it printed. But I locked in 1,200 in profit, so I'm just going to leave that.
Gotcha. Okay, so again, if I'm making it a stop loss, I buy changes to exit.
Exit, yeah.
And then you just put it to crossing rather than...
Yep. And then the price that you...
Whatever you set it at.
Yeah, and you can set the price really far out, like way up or way down. And then you can just drag the line down if you want to change it. You don't need to change the price in that drop down every time you want to move it.
So
you can just take that line and drag it.
Okay, yeah, okay. But like when you go to activate it, you probably want to have it obviously away from price.
Yes.
So I'll just put it at 25,100 and message. Okay, message stop loss. I need to actually save this as a alert. So stop loss. Save. Price crossing. Set it at that amount. Only once. Create. Okay. Yeah, so I got my order way down there at 25,100. So if this shouldn't enter anything if I make it activate, right? Because it's
an exit order.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not going to activate it, or it's not going to put you in an order if it says exit.
Okay. So and then how do you color code them at all, or are they just all white or something?
I don't, but I also do all mine as market orders, except for my stop loss and take profit. So the colors don't matter to me. You can color code them if you want to.
Add alert. So do you usually have alerts like already on your screen above and below? Like
yes.
If you're gonna
always below. If I'm in a long, I always have an alert below for an exit, just as a stop loss. Like when I start my day, I put an exit order in. Usually at low of day. And then I will, if I enter a long, I'll drag that up to wherever I want it. If I enter a short, I'll just put it up above my order. All right. I took my profits on that. All right, I'm gonna hit the head. I'll be back.
Okay.
Good morning, Mr. Stewart. Ooh, Tim said it's -1 out Fahrenheit. Whew, where are you, Tim?
Cold. Wind chill -25. Wow.
Sounds like you're in Michigan. Is Traders Post for automation? Yes, if you you can go to Traders Post. Actually, next week I'm gonna be on their not Price Action Live, but their after hours
Podcast.
podcast. Because Tom is actually setting up an automated strategy based on my trades. So if you want to tune into that, and we'll explain where you can get all of the automation stuff from, how you can build your own automation strategies if you have that ability. And also, if you're looking for an automated strategy, just get on there and watch it and ask Tom to build you one. He's building the one based on my trading for automation, and that's going to be free to anyone who's belongs to Traders Post. And then he's doing a pro version specifically for me.
Nice.
So that way I can put it on my website and sell it.
Yeah, it is YouTube, Johan.
Yeah, it is on YouTube. I'll be right back.
Heading lower here. I can only have 5. Long, short, stop loss. Okay. Pretty choppy right now. Sorry, I've been pretty distracted here setting this up. Hopefully you guys are doing all right. Seems I didn't miss too much. We got 8 people watching right now in Nick's X, 9 in my YouTube, and 7 in my X. Good morning, everybody. High volume 2 minutes on ES.
Thanks, Wayne.
So you can only have a maximum of 5 alerts presets? Or is that because of the maybe because I don't have like the premium traders or trading view thing? Because I tried to save another preset, I can only get 5, not 6.
That's a trading view issue. I don't know. Hold on. Let me look at what my trading view is.
I got long, short, stop loss, and flat. So flat looks like, I think flat is just the market flattened, right? Yeah. Exit. So right now on my screen, I have a long alert, a short alert, a long alert below, a short alert above, and then a stop loss below. So in the case that it's a stop loss on a short, it shouldn't really matter if it's above or below the price, right? Because it's just whenever the price hits the alert, it'll exit. Gotcha.
So my plan is an expert plan.
Okay.
So I think that might be your issue. Oh, Johan just said it's your plan, Dave.
Yeah. Because it only lets me have 5 preset alerts, so it's probably because I have like the pro instead of the expert or whatever it is.
Today on Martin Luther Monday, we've got Traders Post tutorials.
Right? Like, let's do something fun while we're waiting for this paint.
Yeah, I mean, it's not like we got a whole hell of a lot going on right now, so. Any other questions about Traders Post?
The next thing I got to do is up my Traders Post subscription so that I can have the 5 TPT accounts connected also. Because right now I only have a maximum of 5 accounts available.
All right.
So I'd have to bump that up. So far I kind of was just going to group it into 2 baskets, sort of. So either I'm trading the TPTs or I'm trading the Lucids, one or the other.
Gotcha. I am starting to bounce a bit.
Essential plan is 20 alerts. Okay. Thank you, Johan. Yeah, which one do I have here?
Yeah, I mean, if you need more than 20 alerts, you're doing something way more complicated than you need to be doing. NQ got halfway down into that bullish fair value gap and then just shot up. It's still going up. Nice.
So my current plan is a premium.
So I don't know what the issue is then.
Weird. $15 watch list alerts. Oh, that only shows 2 watch list alerts for the premium? I don't think that that's it, though. Multi-conditional alerts. Interesting. Premium, you have 400 alerts. Price alerts, 400. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know why. It's just the presets wouldn't let me save it. Like when I try to make a new preset, I go add alert, and then maybe I'll open the long. I was just going to make it a market long, and then also so that would be greater than 0 on the message, and this would be save alert preset, market long, save. Initial bounce there, guys.
I might be looking for another long here on NQ. Yeah, the expert plan, you can get 30 indicators per chart, 80 parallel chart connections, 600 price alerts, 600 technical alerts, 10 watch list alerts.
Yeah, so when I tried to create another preset alert, it said you've reached the maximum limit of presets. Currently, you have created up to 5 presets on your account. To create a new one, please delete an existing preset. So I was just trying to.
Oh, okay. So
I got flat, I got short, I got stop loss, long, and then market long, and then I was going to try to make a market short. But I guess I'll just be playing with the longs and the short instead.
I'm in another NQ long. This one I've got copied 45 accounts, and it's 2 micros.
Very nice.
Just looking at the book map, it's getting real hot up above current price, and there's pretty much nothing underneath it.
See that? Okay, well I got an order filled there. Let's just see it's in.
Was it the long on NQ?
Yeah. Oh, but it only did 1 account for some reason. Oh, never mind. I'm looking at the wrong ones. Yeah, it did work on multiple. I'm up 850 or something in these. I'm gonna bring my stop into profit here just to see make sure that this thing's all working. We do pull back here. Come on, NQ. Let's make a new high. Yeah, trail this stop up a little bit here. Oh my God, what did it say? It sent a limit sell on that stop. And it filled the order. That was weird. I don't know. There's something wrong about that one. So I guess because it was a limit order, it should be a market order, right?
It should not matter if you have disabled the side swapping, then it shouldn't make a difference.
No, it's just like what happened was the alert got hit, and then it placed a limit order to sell it, but the price was already below the limit order to sell it. So once it popped back up again, then it sold it. So I should really have that as a market stop, like the stop as a market, right? Market order.
Yes.
Because then as soon as it activates, it'll sell it rather than placing market or limit order on the chart. So I'm up $30 now, and well, no, not 30. How much did I make there? $8 on that trade, but hey, this is all testing for me, so. Okay, nice. All right. Okay, so let me mess with this alert again here. So create order, add alert. This one is stop loss message, exit close, time now, interval. Huh. So should it say market somewhere here on is it price market?
Hold on 1 second.
So right now I have price close. Time now, interval is interval. Ooh, big, oh damn. Almost got my long, almost got picked up there in that dip. Too bad it didn't actually. It bounced straight back up to 319. Let me just switch this to what was the other one? Flat. Ticker close. Message crossing.
All right, now I got you. What are you? Where are you at here?
Okay, so for the stop loss button, it's the message is ticker exit close time now and interval.
Okay. Now go to your settings.
Yeah.
Crossing. Pick
greater than.
So if you're looking for a stop loss, go to crossing, set your stop loss price, and it'll show up on your chart as a line.
Okay. Yeah, it's just when it activated that line, it put a limit order on the screen.
Go back to your message.
Message is ticker exit close time now interval.
You sure you hit the right button?
Yeah. I had this this stop loss in there.
I don't know. That's
weird.
That's a new one on me. Because it's if it has action as exit, the only thing that it should be doing is exiting your position.
Huh.
So they're talking about Davos and mentioned the EU tariff in Greenland. Wonder what that's going to do to the market now.
Uh-oh. Besson tried to talk.
Tried to talk?
Besson's not very good at talking, or what?
Try not to listen to any of these idiots when they're speaking.
Yeah.
I'd rather read the blurbs that come up on my chart every time I listen to one of these.
Yeah.
What's that?
That last 5-minute candle was pretty high volume here on that sell-off. Although 50% of it was a wick. So.
Well, I'm in a long on NQ right now, so just a single micro. It's going back down.
Why is there an anchor on London? It's weird. Must have accidentally dropped an anchor on London. Start of London.
Why would you do that?
I have no idea. That's so weird. Okay, so just a quick question too. If I buy a long, right? If I'm in a long and then I hit short, like move my short into profit, and then the price hits that, would it sell it?
If you have side swapping enabled, yes.
Okay, but that is
do you know what the side swapping feature is? If you,
No.
it's like having a reverse button, reverse order button, like how they do on Project X. Actually, I think they have it on TradingView too. Yeah, they do. I don't like that because if I'm going to get out of a trade, I want to be out of it completely. I don't want to fool around with changing my bias every 4 minutes or being tempted to just switch directions because of one candle.
Yeah, it makes sense.
So I just make sure all the side swapping is off, so that way if I do end up selling something that I'm in a long on, it just closes the position and doesn't turn it around on me.
Yeah, that makes sense. Oh, NQ's popping a bit. Thanks for tuning in to the Traders Post tutorial, everybody, this morning.
I am not the person to learn from. I am
Code
about
Mustang.
Yeah, use code Mustang or Nick J. Either one will work.
Oh, they both work?
Yep.
Nice.
Right now, I'm using Traders Post to trade 45 accounts. So actually 46 because I'm trading a live account as well, or a cash account as well. And I'm up 20 bucks on this trade, so
Nice.
oh.
So I guess technically I wouldn't have to make another preset. I could always just change the entry to above. Okay, never mind. Yeah. Never mind. Overthinking myself here. But I guess if I wanted to make a market entry, you could just, if it'd take too long like that to like set it up like that every time, or you got to go change
market entry. If you're going,
type.
so if you want a market entry, you set up your JSON message to where it is. So I'm just going to pull mine up right now. Your JSON message should be whatever ticker. Let's say ticker, action, buy, price, close, time now, interval is interval. And then under your settings, it should be price greater than 0. And that'll be a market order that'll go through immediately.
Yeah. Because
if you want to change that from a market order to a limit order, you change the greater than to a crossing and then put in whatever price it is that you want. And then you can just drag the lines up and down.
Gotcha. Yeah, so that's probably what happened there is when it hit the stop, it put a mark or a limit order there, but the price had moved away from that already. And it never picked it up. So when you're exiting your with your stop, is it a market on activated alert or is it a limit?
Well, so when you set up your exit, if you are just taking profit or stopping loss, when you set that up, it should be crossing and then the price that you want, and it will be a market order at that price.
Yeah, it's so weird. Then why did it pop up? Like it literally showed a limit order on the screen and then it was there for a second and then price moved back to where that was and then it took me out. That's so weird.
So, yeah,
because I got ticker is ticker, action is exit, price is close, time now, and interval is interval. So
yeah, it sounds like you got everything right.
It's not something on Traders Post side that I have wrong. Maybe I have it as a limit, set to limit rather than market on.
Oh yeah, check your subscription and see if it's see how you have it set up.
Auto submit. Position size fixed. Entry market. Huh. Okay, so that one's right. That one says market also. Market, yeah. Yeah, they're all set to market. So weird.
Well, today is the day to play with it. Set up your Traders Post paper account. Since there's such low volume right now and the price action is stagnant, you can just fool around with it and see how your orders go through on a paper account. Or you can do it on one of your funded accounts and just throw shit at the wall and see what sticks.
I'm in a little short here. I'm going to try to see if I can get this stop to work. There we go. There we go. Nice. Okay, locking that in. Let's see. Yeah, it worked that time. No limit order popped up. Okay, good. And it looks like I better double check all my accounts here. This is a little scary.
If you just go to your dashboard, it'll show you each account and how much it's up or down.
Okay.
Or if there's even a position in there.
So dashboard shows paper account. So if you're in a trade, it'll show underneath each. Or do you have to go into each one individually?
Nope. If you just hit your dashboard, it'll give you your list of accounts. And it'll show you what you're up or down in each account.
But you have to like open them each one individually?
No, it'll be right there on your
Yeah, it says $39 in this account because that was the one that I took the initial trade. This one says $17.
And is that just when you click on the dashboard?
Yeah, it's not. It doesn't show it directly. Like it lists all 4 accounts on the dashboard, but it doesn't like show profit and loss or anything there.
No, it won't if you're not in a position.
Okay, gotcha. Okay. Cool.
That's how I checked. That's how I checked to make sure all my positions got closed. Is I just leave my dashboard open and I refresh it after I close a position.
Okay. And then if it just has just a little box with the name, then you know you're flat.
Yep.
And if it had a trade, it would show that. Okay.
It would show
Damn, I should have held on to that short a little longer. Pulled back 20 points there. But this is all purely for testing purposes right now.
Yeah, and it just got to the middle of that fair value gap, so it's probably going to go back up a little bit.
Was it oh yeah, it was a 5-minute fair value gap there. Yeah, totally. So I got two buys and one, like a buy with a sell, then a buy with a sell, and now a sell with a buy. They all work, so
perfect.
Sweet.
As long as they're working.
Yeah. Oh no, I always got to remember though. I got to get rid of the indicator or like the alert if I still have one on the screen.
Oh yeah,
Nice little bounce out of that fair value gap. So it's a little bit one more thing to remember, hey?
Yeah, you'll get used to it. It's going to take you a minute, but you will get used to it.
Maybe I should change the color of the price thingy. I don't have any red on my screen, so maybe I'll do that. Make it stick out just a little bit more. Yeah, that's better. If it's red, it really pops, so it's not easy to miss.
Get an NQ long in here. The top of that fair value gap.
Oh, nice.
Not really. It's down a couple bucks. Oh, no, now it's up a couple bucks. But I have a take profit in up at 32.52, or I'm sorry, 352.
Two-minute NQ low volume up wave so far is what Wayne said. Nick, did you say sooner that you have a website?
I will shortly.
What's a website for?
My business.
Which business, sorry?
Mustang Trader.
Oh, nice.
I had to set up an LLC for all the, tax purposes and all that stuff. And
then you're gonna sort of with the villa stuff too?
Yeah, it's I actually have 3 separate LLCs, and they're all under an S corp. So
Okay.
the tax ramifications of doing shit just by yourself are horrible.
Yeah.
So I had to set up an S corporation, 3 separate LLCs. They're all under that one umbrella, and trying to behave like an adult,
Ooh, some more people got some Lucid accounts.
Nice.
I think somebody bought like an eval or something.
Good deal.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm
I
getting
really need
to the payout target.
So I figure the Mustang Trader website, I'll just sell T-shirts and hats and coffee mugs and shit.
Yeah, nice.
Trade your plan, not your emotions.
Yeah.
I need that on a cup.
No doubt.
That the act like an adult. Be a bull, be a bear, don't be a pig. It's funny, the other day I was watching Price Action Live, and Mike was on there. He was like, oh yeah, I got some comments from my dad in here. And I looked at the comments, I was like, your dad? What the fuck? And then realized he was talking about me. All right, this NQ long starting to go in my favor a little bit. You freeze up there, Dave?
Not frozen, no, Nick.
You were just being very still. You doing some of your Evan Dyer Buddhist meditations?
Yeah, I was practicing the Zen moment, staring at the charts on the side.
Well, this NQ trade was going in my direction, and now it's going up, it's going down, it's going up. It's just messing with my emotions again.
What the heck? None of that.
Is NQ your friend? Yeah, he's a friend. He's the kind of friend that talks shit about you behind your back, then hits on your girlfriend.
Okay, Darren. Hey, catch you later. You probably got some stuff to take care of. Middle of the afternoon for you.
Have fun, Darren.
In other words, he's having a Tim moment, otherwise known as a senior moment.
Who, me? Always.
Yeah. Good job, MT hit VWAP. VWAP hit. Good job, MT. Good job, market.
All right, NQ is going back up. So I am up 98 bucks in my copied accounts and 335 in my cash account.
Nice. That's awesome. Gold's pulling back right now.
Gold's pulling back, NQ's going up.
Nice little bounce here on the upside here for this. Yeah, that 5-minute fair value gap was definitely an entry. Great entry. Even if you're early here, you're still holding profit.
Was a little bit premature on my entry, but my prop accounts are all up 130 bucks now, so
nice. That's a big W. Coming up to those orders at 350 here.
If it sweeps
25,
those.
350. You out of here, Johan? Thank you. Wish you a nice day too.
Thank you, Johan. I'll see you tomorrow morning, if you so choose. Oh, hell yeah. Keep going.
Nice. Ripping right through those 50s.
Now it's hitting previous day VWAP, so we'll see what it does there.
Yeah.
Gonna wait and see if it breaks through it, because
Yeah.
this is actually not looking too bad on the book map either. It's pulling back a little bit, but not it's not pulling back hard, and there's not really any orders underneath on NQ. So we got some up at 385, 400,
Yeah.
a few at 500, but I'm not going to count on those at this point.
Definitely thicker above.
Oh, hell yeah. Keep going.
Yeah, it's trying. There you go.
Up 720 in my cash account,
Nice.
203 in my copied accounts.
Wow. Nice W.
It was a much better trade than I thought it was going to be. I thought I was going to take a couple of points on it, and that would be it.
Sometimes it just wants to go, hey?
Yeah, I'm definitely not going to complain about it. But again, it's not really giving me any reason to get out of it either at this point.
See if we're going to pop up here a bit more.
I think so. Judging by what the book map is showing me, I think it's going to pop up again, but we shall see. Oh, it's starting to pull back now. Son of a bitch.
Son of a.
Son of a bitch.
Get back above that overnight VWAP here so you can just get that continuation here. I joined you in that long there on my top one futures 50K. Got me back to 57 in profit. That was a quick scalp.
Oh, you're out of it already?
Yeah, on that pullback, I went for 6 points there on that. Grabbed 6 points on that pullback. So
yeah, my average price on this is 320.60.
yeah, I grabbed. Hold on a second here. How many points was that? Yeah, like a little over 4 points, but I was in 10 contracts, so
Oh, so 40 points.
yeah.
You took 40 points out of NQ in what, like 30 seconds?
No, well, yeah, I guess. Well, no, 10 contracts of 4 points, but yeah, 4 points on 10 contracts.
Yeah, 40 points is what
Yeah.
you took out of it.
Yeah, on that pullback there, I just entered long with 10 and then put my TP at about 4. I think it was like 4 or 4.25 was my TP. So average price was 50, 350.50, and then I was out at 355.75. So
Nice trade.
Getting a phone call. I don't recognize this number though, but
Don't answer it. It's a scam. All right, I just added 1 mini to my long.
yeah, I keep. It's so funny. Somebody keeps calling, asking for this Mandy, some sort of some East Indian guy's name. I don't remember. He said his last name there. Oh shoot! Almost got my my short alert almost got tagged there. I was just watching. I see this orange line, and yeah, good thing I got to get rid of this guy. I should at least have it way down below here. It was literally edging my short alert.
Glad you got rid of that.
Yeah. But yeah, they keep asking a couple times now. I've got a phone call asking for Mandy, this, and then it's for something Rocky Mountaineering or something like that. So it's like a company or name or something. But it's weird how they keep getting my number. Maybe it's like one digit is different.
Yeah, I still get calls for somebody named Matt who had this number before me, and I've had this number for 12 years, 15 years, something like that.
That's crazy. You're still trying to get a hold of them.
And it's not like it's the same person calling over and over again. It's like, this pulls back a little bit. I'm going to add 2 more minis to my cash account.
Still going up, hey? Wow.
Actually, no, I'm not going to be a pig today.
Yeah. Yeah, it could turn around real fast on this low volume if somebody decides
looking
to
at
slap
the.
us.
Yep. It's kind of what I was thinking.
Ralph, what's up, bud? I'm gonna take Ralph to the bathroom. I'll be right back.
How is Ralph doing? Trying very hard to be patient in this trade and just let it keep playing out, but it's getting harder by the minute.
Say hi, Ralph.
Hello, Ralph. How are the markets today, Ralph? That's what you need. You need a t-shirt with a cartoon of Ralph on it. Markets are treating me rough. I don't know why these tiny little nothing pullbacks are making me nervous here. So I never have the screen up for the live stream. I just opened it up and realized that Dave is not even there. I thought he came back.
Still going up, eh?
Sure is. I was just sitting there talking to myself for a minute and didn't realize that you were still gone.
Oh,
Not really sure why these piddly little pullbacks are making me nervous, but they are.
yeah.
And they're not even really, I mean, they're pulling back a couple of points and that's it. Still got a bunch of orders up above on the book map. I'm glad I didn't pull out prematurely. It's not like I can get NQ pregnant.
NQ.
What do you think? Think it's going to still go up?
Let me take a look here. Kind of made it up to, we're in a bearish fair value gap from London session there. at 337 to 383. So it looks like sort of got to the top of that bearish fair value gap. We got the 200 EMA above, but I mean, it is pulling back a bit. Uh-oh. Coffee's done. Maybe that's a signal.
Yeah, I'm just going to see if it comes up out of this, the center of this bullish fair value gap.
Yeah.
If it doesn't, I got like $250 locked in.
Nice.
And that was it. Took my $250.
Nice. Nice trade, though. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Good patience on that one. You've been holding that for a while.
Got like $50 out of that. Or $50, 50 points out of that.
Yeah.
Those are good. And now for my cash account.
So Wayne said 2-minute ES closes clustering. ES at the 24-hour VWAP. That was up back at 8:22. That was okay. That was just now. Yes. Yeah, ES is pulling back into a bullish fair value gap too. But it is a holiday Monday, so like anything could happen. That's the thing about these holiday Mondays. Hard to say what price is going to do just because one big fish decides to play can really throw off the price action on the day. But I don't know about you, but I'm ready to get off the stream in about 6 minutes here at 8:30.
I'm actually just closing my trade now.
Nice. Yeah, I'm looking at trying to finish the flooring today. I'm about 1/3 of the room installed now. And from this point on, it should be pretty easy. It's mostly just straight pieces until I get to the other end where the door is. But man, it's definitely not easy installing laminate flooring. I thought it was easier, but I guess, you know, the product that I picked is a little finicky. So like the seams keep coming out. So I actually have to get my mom to like stand on the board, the previous board that was installed, because as soon as I like bend it up to like lock in the new one, it like unlocks the previous one.
You have the setting block and a rubber mallet?
Yes, I do. Yeah.
Have you been using them?
Yeah, a bit when I need it. It's because the floor, even though I did my best to level it, it's just really not a level floor. So then, and I don't know if maybe the product's a little finicky itself, the specific product I got, but yeah, it seems to like every time I, you know, like bend it up to like get the other one to lock in, it just like the bending action just makes the previous ones kind of like come unlocked.
Yeah, you need to tap in all of them then. If they're coming up on the previous ones, I had the same issue when I was installing my floors. And then realize that even if they seem like they're clicked in and set, yeah, no, you need to hammer that shit in.
Gotcha.
Yeah, I ended up pulling mine. I got like 8 or 9 rows in and then had to take the entire damn floor apart and then redo everything.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it sounds similar to me. I didn't get quite that far, but I've been up to the 3rd row, back to the 1st row, up to the 3rd row, back to the 1st row. Like, what's going on here?
For everyone, you gotta actually use your setting block and your rubber mallet to get that sit right.
Yeah. So, but it has been working. Like I said, I kept getting my mom to stand on those the pieces that are installed, and then they just aren't coming undone, and then I can just get it in and move to the next one. So it's working so far, anyways. So we got a nice pullback there, right to the top of that sort of the breakout zone, I guess you could say, sort of the top of the wedge.
I am very surprised gold hasn't done anything today.
Yeah, not a whole lot.
There's
Pretty
hardly been a move on it. Oh, bank holiday.
Yeah.
Duh.
There's that. Yeah, when I look at the 15-minute chart of gold, it's like it's just going sideways. So
Yeah.
it's like it would be a no trade sort of idea for me on gold. At least now that we rejected off of that overnight VWAP on NQ and ES, looking like there's a good chance we might still head lower here.
You know what? I'm not risking it.
Yeah, I got to delete these alerts, just get them off my screen here so I don't forget them.
Yeah. So make sure you look at your side panel where it'll tell you where all of your alerts are.
Oh, that
Make
little
sure,
alert button. Yeah.
Yeah, where the play button is on them. Just make sure that none of them are active.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, good call. That's a quick way to look and make sure that you don't have one on a different chart you forgot about too.
And then another thing, open up your Trade-Evate with whatever accounts that you've been doing and just hit the exit all and cancel button 3 times.
Yeah.
Because Trade-Evate every once in a while has an issue.
Yeah, those are all good.
Wow, I actually did a lot better today than I thought I was going to, it being a bank holiday. And
yeah. Being nice on Martin Luther King Day, the market.
All right. Hell yeah, I'll take this day. Took a lot longer than I would have wanted it to, but okay. So Dave, are you going to do some flooring?
Yes, I am.
Watch your fingers.
Yeah, I actually smashed my finger pretty bad yesterday. It's feels a little bit better today.
Done it. That's why I said that. I probably made every mistake you can make while doing flooring.
Yeah.
My first mistake was just not hiring somebody else to do it. They would have finished it in a third of the time, done a better job, and I would have been less frustrated.
I know I probably should have too. I actually had somebody who gave me a quote, and then I was like decided to do it myself for trading content.
All right. Oh yeah, that makes sense. Actually, you get a quote from somebody else, and then you tell them, so I'm going to be videotaping this whole thing, and I will release that video to you for your own advertisement so you can start a YouTube channel, but you're going to knock 10% off the bill.
Yeah.
All right. All right. Stop looking at this. I'm done for the day.
Yes, sir. Me too. Thanks, everybody. You guys have a good day. And you, Nick, I'll see you tomorrow morning.
We'll see you tomorrow morning. See you later, Wayne, Johan, Tim. Tim, stay warm. Jeez. Darren's gone.
Usuals. Thank you, everybody.
What? And yeah, I'll see you first thing in the morning.
Sounds good.
Have fun with the floor.
Thank you. Have a good day. See ya.